Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a video I have never done before, and it is an unboxing of new iPhone. I got the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific blue color, and I haven't gotten a new phone in a few years, maybe 3 years now. I don't even remember when I got this phone. So I'm very excited, and I thought I would make some content about it. So I'm going to show an unboxing and how I'm setting it up to really get me ready for 2021. And don't mind this setup. I also am trying to make a TikTok also of the unboxing. Really just going all for content creator of the day here. It's not going to be any kind of cool tech review. It really is just a YouTuber here, college girl, getting a new phone and wanting to open it and show you guys what it's like, and yeah, just have some fun with it. All right, we got my sharp scissors. Ooh, it's in a black box. Me acting surprised even though I've already watched so many of these. All right, let's cut this. I guess that's what we do. Oh, look at this. There we go. All right, here we have the iPhone in all of its glory in the box. Now it is time to unwrap it. It's so satisfying. I feel like I should go slow. All right, beautiful. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It is such a cool color. My favorite color is blue. And this is gorgeous. How big is this? I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. I don't even have a case for it because it came in earlier than I expected. This is gorgeous. So also in the box, it comes with the USB charger, but do they not come with a block anymore? I'm so confused by that. You got your sticker. I'm gonna get a close-up for you guys on taking this screen protector off because it is gorgeous. Ready? Wow, if that wasn't some ASMR. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So it is a little bit bigger than my iPhone XS, which I wasn't expecting, but I really like. All right, it is time for me to set this up. So let me do a little screen recording on this one. We're gonna do a quick start. And this is cool. So you like hold it over your phone and it just goes ahead and puts it in. Wow. All right, continue. Let's do this. My hair is such a mess. I still can't get over this color. It's just gorgeous. And the screen just looks so much nicer. As you can see, this one is cracked on mine. So I will be getting a screen protector, and I will be getting, who knows what I'm agreeing to. I will be getting a case for this, like probably today. All right, this is cool. And we're gonna set up later. We'll set that up later too. Not now. Don't share. All right, it's preparing its transfer. Wes is helping me put in the SIM card, which I didn't even know I had to do. It came with this little tool.
That's nice.
Is this what they do at the Apple Store?
We have to go to the Apple Store.
Why? The Apple Store's not open.
Not the Apple Store, AT&T.
Why?
You think you have to get a new SIM card? No.
I'm gonna watch a YouTube video.
Right.
Oh, great.
Yep.
Oh, it works. Yay. All right, now I'm going to redo my entire, redo my entire home screen because I'm tired of this. Right, so now that the transfer has been completed, Wes put in my SIM card, it is now time to set up my new phone and to tell you guys a little bit about my idea of having a work phone and a personal phone. So since this phone is cracked, I couldn't turn it in to like get money for it, and it would cost to replace the screen. So I thought I would keep it and use it as like a little bit of a work phone. So I am going to be keeping this phone, maybe just for some uses, maybe to keep by my bed in the morning to use at an alarm. I know it's quite a fancy alarm clock, but just have certain apps on this phone just for when like I'm trying to disconnect and I don't want to feel like I'm working or anything. Yeah, I'm still keeping this phone just for specific use, even though it doesn't have a SIM card. And then this one's gonna obviously be like my new everything phone, take brand photos on it, because when the iOS 14 update came out, I did customize my screen to look really aesthetic. And I like it, but I just think I'm a little bit over it, and I'm over the shortcuts, you know, it opening up and like taking a second to load your apps. And so I wanna just redo my home screen and make it maybe less aesthetic looking, but more useful and allow me to be more productive on my phone. So I love having my call, my email, text, and Spotify on the bottom row just because I use those apps probably most often. But I am going to delete my little photos app here. There we go. Add to home screen, back onto my phone. So the first thing I'm gonna do is delete all my bookmarks / shortcut apps and just add all of those apps onto my home screen, and then I will organize it. So I've actually decided that I'm going to put all of the apps, my social apps, on this first page, and then put my business apps on this second page, and I haven't decided what I'm going to do on the third page. We'll see if I can handle having TikTok on my homepage. I may go on it too much. We will see. But all right, on my homepage, I have my camera, photos, Google Calendar, and then all my socials and my budgeting app because I need to be reminded that I have a budget. So that's on the first page. And then my little goal widget. And then on the second page, I have my money stuff. So Venmo, Pinnacle, I'll also add PayPal. Up here. And then YouTube Studio, and then my photo editing apps on this bottom 3-hand corner. Up here, I'm gonna add Shopify. Right down here. And there we go. I have just the apps I mainly use on my home screen here, and then my money, photo editing, business apps on my second page. I'm pretty happy with this. We'll see how it goes, how I like it, maybe change it up a little bit. Let's see where I want my widget at. I guess it has to go here, right? I kind of like that, actually. And then I'm gonna add some new text to this. Okay, let's see if it updated. And I'm gonna change this photo. You know what, I kind of liked having this photo now at the top because it's like business page. All right, we're gonna take Jimmy out. All right, 17 minutes later, and I'm happy with the home screens. We have my first home screen, which is just apps I need like to get to easily. And then we have the second home screen, which is business. We have photo Dream Achieve workbook and coffee at the top, you know, telling me to get productive, we got this, and then a little quote, do something today that your future self will thank you for. And I'm really happy. I'm really happy with it. Yay! All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox and set up my new phone for the new year. Again, it was just something that was a little bit different than what I normally do, but I had fun doing this video. So again, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching. More videos coming to you guys all throughout January, all about goal setting, getting things done. We love that. And so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.